Welcome to your quiz 1.05 help video. Alright, the first type problem says, which names are other ways to name angle 1? Alright, so we got a couple different options here, and I'm going to think of the ways we can name it before I even look at my answer options. Alright, they've already labeled it as angle 1. We could label it using 3 letters. We could start at P, travel to F, and then travel to Y, so it could be angle P, F, Y. Or we could start at Y and go to F and then to P, so it could be angle Y, F, P. Or we could label it just by the vertex of the angle, so angle F. Those are the different ways that we could angle it. There's 4 different ways. So if we look over here, angle F works. It has to be labeled if it's 1 letter by the vertex, so those don't work. The vertex also has to be the middle letter of when you use 3, so those aren't going to work. Let me move this down. This one would work, that doesn't, and this does. Alright, which classification best describes angle 2? Well, remember, a straight angle is 180 degrees, it forms a straight line. Obtuse is anything greater than 90. Right is anything that's 90 degrees exactly. And then acute is anything that's less than 90. So if we look at this one is not a straight angle. It's clearly bigger than 90 degrees. Oops, I meant to cross that out. So it's going to be obtuse. Which point is on the interior of angle DEF? All right, interior just means inside. So if we think about like an angle being an alligator mouth, we're just asking which one's inside the alligator mouth. Alright, so this is our angle, or if you really wanted to consider it an alligator mouth, there's the mouth with the teeth. And the only angle that's on the inside or the interior of that is angle G. Oops. Alright, the next one. The measure of angle TML is 104 degrees. What is the measure of angle LMV? Alright, so let me trace out what we have. There we go. So T to M to L. This entire angle here has to be 104. And then it also tells us, we're looking for L to M to V. So we want to find just the measure of this green angle. Okay, if the total angle is 104 and we know that this piece is 60 degrees, then we can simply subtract to figure out what it is. So we could take 104 minus 60, and we would get that that missing angle, or that green angle, is 44 degrees. And you can just double check by adding those back together. 60 plus 44 does equal 104. That's that angle addition postulate. Alright, what is the correct classification for angle QPS? Alright, so let's highlight which angle they want. Start at Q, then go to P, and go to S. Okay, so we can do a little bit of math here to figure it out. Because it looks like it could be close to a 90-degree angle, it could be smaller, it could be bigger. It's really hard to tell. What we do know is R, P, T, we know that has to add up to 90 degrees because it has that box. So we could figure out just this angle right here by doing 90 minus 21. Again, that's that angle addition postulate. So this angle has to be 69 degrees. And then we could figure out the QPS by adding together the 22 and the 69. Which tells us it's 91 degrees. So that is obtuse. Anything greater than 90 degrees is obtuse. Please don't try to do that just by looking at the picture though, because sometimes math pictures lie. Make sure you actually use the numbers to see if it's greater than, less than, or equal to 90. And that's it. Good luck!